How to make money on Instagram.
What is the best way of making money on Instagram? I think it's selling stuff, more so than product placement shoutouts. Because I think everybody can sell stuff from day one by posting content around what they're selling, and then use the swipe up feature and the URL in their profile to sell, and then use hashtags and DMing people to get awareness and opportunities for it. Anybody can do that, while most people can't become influencers that actually make money doing promotion or shoutouts alone. At what point do you start making money on Instagram? As a brand influencer or a social media manager? It all depends on your content. Earning money through Instagram is a skill we need to learn. You should invest your time and money to become an influencer. You should write interesting texts, make beautiful stylish photos and feed, promote yourself at other influencers' profiles. You can make money on any social platform if you know how to use it. Instagram is a good platform to build your customer base. Depending on your unique brand of Instagram content, your audience, and your level of commitment. It basically all starts with sharing your passion. Just make sure you have something to share every day and then let your audience be benefited from it, then eventually start endorsing things to your audience. Because they trust your face value, so they will put their trust in buying things that you recommend. Make an Instagram account first. Target a niche. It's better to go with your passion, i.e. food, cat, sports, gym freak, make a joke, motivational videos, or any interesting fact page. If you're always posting motivational videos of you working out and fitness plans, then your page will attract those type of people. If you are a gym freak, post your workouts every day without any fail. Once you have enough users following you and interacting with you, use popular hashtags. Use what tags your number one competitor is using. Post 3 to 4 photos daily. After 1 to 2 months you will get 10 to 20k followers easily. If your niche is popular, you can also run ads. It is keeping to a regular posting schedule. Once the page is up and running, regular posts with well-known hashtags draw more followers. Once you build your audience, create a digital product, an ebook, audio or video course. Create a landing page, collect the email addresses of your customers. Promote your product. If you do not want to create your own product, do affiliate marketing for other people's product. You can do this on ClickBank. If you can build a huge audience, people will pay you to post pics in your Instagram account. Doing sponsored posts for brands that want to get in front of your audience. Becoming an affiliate and making a commission selling other brands' products. Creating and selling a physical or digital product, or offering a paid service. Selling your photography. Now contact brands or just leave your link in bio, see which brand is sponsoring your competitor, contact them. The best way to monetize your IG account is to become an influencer and release sponsored posts on behalf of brands. This will work if your IG account has authentic followers, not bots, has unique, quality content, and good branding. You can also make money by promoting other pages too. Just leave your email and price in bio, and in every post mention that we do promotions of any other pages. Choose your rate. Bingo. That's it.